Hello everyone, welcome back to my 75 days English speaking challenge. Today I want to talk about why we should learn English. There are 4 reasons we should learn English as a second language. So first first reason is it's a global language. English is a global language. Global language means in the world most of the countries, many countries, not all the countries, but many countries speak. In the many countries English is spoken, so we can talk to the people who are living in the other country who don't know our language, but English is a tool. English is a medium. We can talk to them, the people we never met. In the internet we have, through the internet there are no boundaries, there are no barrier, so we can talk to anyone if we know English. So this is the first reason we should learn English. And after learning English we can get better jobs opportunities. Many companies want the employees who speak good English. If you speak good English, there are more chances you will get better job, you will get high salary. And if you know how to speak English, you can teach to other person, you can join schools, and you can get extra income by doing this. And if you know, so you will get a good job. This is the second reason. Third reason is access to knowledge. If you know English, यदि आप इंग्लिश को समझना जानते हो, if you know English, how to read, how to understand, so there are access of knowledge. Access of knowledge means you can read the books which are in English, you can get information, you can learn many things in the internet. Many videos are only in English, you can watch them, you can understand, you can learn many things. So this is the third reason you should learn English. And fourth and the last, not the least, builds confidence. If you know two languages, you speak your mother tongue, if you know other language, it will builds your confidence, you will feel good, you will feel confident. So it's a better way to enhance your communication skill. You can express your thoughts in your mother tongue if the other person is understand your mother tongue. And if the other person understand English and you can speak English, so there will be understanding, you can easily express your thoughts. So these are the 4 points I have explained why we should learn English. If you have a solid reason for job, for your reading, for your learning, for your research, for your professional purpose, if you have a clear reason, you will learn with consistency. If you don't have any solid reason, as I am a teacher, I have to speak English in front of my students. If I will not speak English, how I will expect them, how they will speak, how I will teach them? So that's why I do practice. So if you have a solid reason, you will also learn. So thanks for listening. See you in the next video.